been looking for a solution for all the lawn and crabgrass that we're clearing to plant the garden, which is right now kind of a big mess. But we have a good mulcher that's great for sticks and leaves and branches that we did for all the tree trimmings. But this crabgrass stuff, it didn't like it. It's just too stringy. So we're trying this Worx Mulcher Leaf Shredder. And if you just look down the top, it's essentially an overgrown weed eater. It's just got a pair of strings in here, and it's actually working great. It makes a lot of noise. You don't want to put your face in front of it because it does kick stuff out randomly. So I've got a bandana to cover my face, and definitely safety glasses, and definitely gloves. And there's no way I'm putting my hands in there, so I just throw the stuff in. But yeah, look, the result is this is great. I can rototill this in, and this is much better. This is actually usable plant matter. So this would be awesome for like growing potatoes, where you need some straw in there anyway. Anyway, on Amazon, it's better than having to bag all this stuff up and throw it away. It becomes fertilizer. I would say that grinding crabgrass there was a bunch of roots and some dirt mixed in with this stuff, and it's wet. That's a pretty tall order for one of these things, which is essentially a giant weed eater, but it's really done really good. The stuff coming out is really good. It's got a little bit of mix in it, but that's going to rototill in real nice. I would say that my tip for this thing, and I haven't tried any other one, but for this one, is it'll eat anything, but you have to give it time to chew. So I've noticed if I feed slower, it doesn't jam up or break strings. I was breaking a bunch of strings. I was changing them every 5 minutes and then every 10 minutes. And now I haven't changed a string in 30 minutes. So it's got the same strings on it now for quite a while. Oh, and we are using Makita 0.80 thread now, which we'll show you. This stuff has kind of a nastier cutting edge than the round ones, and it seems to be a little more effective. I hope you don't have to do this job. It's not fun.